Hey everyone, and welcome. Starting a new workout routine can feel pretty intimidating, especially if you're a beginner. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be scary. In this video, we're breaking down 5 simple tips to make getting started with exercise a breeze and even make it enjoyable. So buckle up and get ready for some easy, actionable advice that'll have you feeling good and moving more. The first tip for starting an exercise routine is to take it slow and steady. Don't try to jump into a super intense workout right away. Begin with shorter sessions, maybe just 10 minutes, and gradually increase the time and intensity as your fitness level improves. Even a little bit of movement is better than none at all. Remember, consistency is key, so it's better to start small and build up your routine over time. The key to making exercise a habit is finding activities you actually enjoy. Don't force yourself to do something you hate. Think about what brings you joy and try incorporating that into your routine. Maybe it's a brisk walk in nature, swimming laps, dancing to your favorite music, or practicing yoga. There are endless possibilities. When you find something you love, you're more likely to stick with it and see results. It's super important to listen to your body, especially when you're starting out. Don't be afraid to take breaks when you need them and adjust exercises to fit your current fitness level. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to injury, so it's better to be cautious. Remember, pain is a signal that something isn't right. If you're feeling discomfort, stop and rest. Focus on building strength and endurance gradually and celebrate your progress along the way. To get the most out of your workouts and support your body's recovery, it's crucial to stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet. Drinking plenty of water helps prevent dehydration and keeps your energy levels up. Fueling your body with nutritious foods provides the energy you need for exercise and helps your muscles recover after a workout. Think of it like a car, you need gas to run. So make sure you're giving your body the fuel and fluids it needs to perform at its best. Here's the secret to success with exercise: consistency. The most important thing is to show up, even if it's just a few times a week. The more you move, the easier it gets, and the better you'll feel both physically and mentally. Think of it like building a habit. The more you repeat something, the more it becomes part of your routine. So keep at it, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the benefits of a regular exercise routine.